In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on your Ford F-150. This is located underneath the vehicle and at the back of the engine. Let's get started. Looking down on the driver's side of the engine, just past the turbo, we have a heat shield. We can go ahead and remove the 10mm bolt towards the front of the heat shield. Now we can remove the bolt on the back of the heat shield. Now we can go ahead and remove the heat shield. Now we have a second heat shield on the front side of the transmission, back side of the engine. We have one 10mm bolt on the bottom and one 10mm bolt on the top. We can go ahead and remove those. And we can remove our second heat shield. Now I'll be using a set of long-handled needle nose pliers. We can grab the back side of the grommet, give it a little pull, and we can go ahead and remove that. With the grommet removed, we can see the head of our 7mm bolt. We'll go ahead and remove that. The bolt is captured in the sensor, so we don't need to worry about it falling into the transmission. We can give this a little wiggle and remove our sensor. Now with our sensor removed, we can see we have a little tab here on the connector. We'll just press in on that. It can help to push in on the connector while you do this and pull it out. Now we'll go ahead and plug our sensor into the connector and make sure that doesn't want to pull back out and is fully seated. Now we can go ahead and install the sensor. There's a small opening past the bolt hole for the sensor. You want to line up the tip of the sensor with that. Go ahead and slide this in. And we can go ahead and thread in the bolt. We'll snug this down, but it doesn't need to be too tight. And we can reinstall our grommet. I'm going to make sure this is fully seated down. Now we can go ahead and install the heat shield. Now we'll go ahead and tighten down the bolts for the heat shield. And we'll install our second heat shield. Now we'll go ahead and snug these down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.